Welcome to the Confidence Edit, where beauty meets empowerment. I'm Gabriella, here to guide you through the realms of beauty and self-care. Today, we dive deep into a topic that is close to our hearts, yet often overlooked: mental health. Together, we peel back the layers of stigma and discover how embracing our mental health can transform our lives. Mental health is a vital part of our overall well-being, intricately linked to everything that we do, including how we care for our skin. Here at Dermalike, we believe that beauty routines should empower and not encumber. So whether it's navigating the stresses of an acne breakout or the anxiety of aging skin, it is crucial that our approach to skincare fosters confidence and positivity without the pressure. In today's digital age, the impact of social media cannot be ignored. With its relentless stream of idealized images, it is easy to forget that these are mere snapshots, not the full picture. Such constant exposure can skew our self-perception, affecting our mental health. And that's why it's important to engage with social media mindfully and remember that true beauty is not just about what's on the surface. So finding balance in our lives is essential for maintaining mental well-being. Achieving this balance means creating a harmonious relationship among various aspects of our daily lives, including work, lifestyle, habits, diet, exercise, and mindfulness. Each component plays a critical role in shaping our mental and emotional health. Striking a balance at work involves managing our professional duties without letting them overwhelm our professional life. This can mean setting boundaries, such as defined work hours and regular breaks. This prevents burnout and ensures time for relaxation and personal pursuits. Work-life balance is a vital practice, ensuring you're not overburdened by your professional responsibilities, but also allows you to enjoy personal time, which is essential for mental recovery and happiness. Our overall lifestyle includes how we choose to spend our free time and the environments we inhabit. They significantly impact our mental health. Cultivating a lifestyle that promotes relaxation and happiness, such as engaging in hobbies or spending time in nature, can greatly enhance our well-being. Daily habits form the backbone of our mental health. Developing positive habits like regular sleep patterns, proactive stress management, and healthy social interactions can improve mental resilience and reduce the vulnerability to mental health challenges. What we eat not only affects our physical health, but also our mental state. A balanced diet rich in nutrients supports brain function and can improve mood and energy levels. Incorporating foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins can help stabilize mood and combat the effects of stress. Your diet and exercise routine also plays a significant role. Nutritious meals, they fuel both your body and mind, while regular physical activities releases endorphins, known as the feel-good hormones, which can alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. So whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or a more intense activity, consistent exercise helps in managing stress and boosting your overall mood. Practicing mindfulness means being present in the moment and fully engaging with our current activities. This practice helps in acknowledging and accepting our feelings, our thoughts, and our bodily sensations without judgment, leading to better emotional regulations and decreased stress levels. So let's talk about mindfulness. This practice isn't just meditation. It's about being present in the moment, being aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Mindfulness can transform your day-to-day approach to challenges, easing stress and promoting a peaceful mind. Balancing these aspects of life doesn't mean perfecting each one, but rather finding a personal equilibrium that supports mental health and overall happiness. It's about making intentional choices that align with one's values and needs, thereby fostering a state of mental well-being that enhances every facet of life. We recognize the intricate and diverse nature of mental health, and our commitment extends beyond skincare. We aim to uplift your spirit and bolster self-esteem through our carefully crafted products. Each product name is designed to serve as a daily affirmation, reminding you of your worth and beauty every time you use them. Your journey to mental wellness is uniquely personal, and we are dedicated to supporting you every step of the way with products that not only enhance your natural beauty, but also nurture a positive self-image. Thank you for joining us today on The Confidence Edit. Remember, taking care of your mind is just as important as taking care of your body. We hope you found inspiration in today's episode to nurture your mental well-being. For more tips and wellness guides, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that button. Here's to a balanced and confident you.